Hello, I'm going to show you how to install the stickers on the guitar. Okay, it's the same for the bass. Today we have the pentatonics that I'm going to install, but they're all same way. So first thing you want to do is loosen the strings, pull them off to the side except for the middle two ones. You take a pen, I like to use a Sharpie, just on the metal parts of the frets and go marking in the middle of those two strings all the way down to the 12th fret. Just on the fret itself. Okay, once you get that done, I'm going to take this and I'm going to loosen up these other two strings and pull those off to the side. Okay. Now I'm going to take this sponge. You can use anything really. Cloth. Let's see. Get on the camera here. Put it in there to slide it down so that the strings are split apart like that. Okay, now if you have any, you might want to take a cloth and just wipe this down. Mine's pretty clean. Get all the dust off. Take your stickers. Start with the first one. Okay, now you see in the middle, we got the numbers. Oh, well, see if it'll focus there. There we go. Right in the middle is a 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little red line. That little red line is an alignment line. You're going to want to put that right on where the ink is on the fret. Okay, so I'm going to take the first one off. Now this is the only exception. Now you see I didn't mark this because I didn't want to mess up my nut, but you can easily tell, just go in between the middle one there. You can use a pencil or something to erase, but I wouldn't do it with a marker. And put on my glasses here, the old reading glasses, so I can see good. And this one was 0. See if it'll focus. It won't focus that well. Okay, what's with 0? It's the first one. So this goes on the very top. Let's put it in there like that. Now you're done with the first one. Okay, now the second one, first fret. This one goes right here on the first fret, right below the first fret. Okay, so I'm gonna line up the red mark with the dot. Get it lined up. Okay. So see, there, that's done. Now, just going down the line. Number 2. And when you line these up, you want to have them up so that all the letters line up this way, so you can read them when you're playing. And if you're left-handed, you can just, if you reverse the strings, you can just turn them around. Let's go ahead and do this. There's 2, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Now the reason why I put them on the top of the fret here like this is because when you finger your notes, you'll still be able to see the notes and the colors. Okay, so you just keep going all the way down. Let's keep it going. There's 4. 5. I'll just keep the video going, but it's just kind of monotonous. Just keep doing the same thing all the way down. But if you do watch to the end, you can subscribe, and or you can subscribe now.